heard the sound. Now. Then next one says, is awareness a mental construct as it has an opposite of no awareness? Yes, the word awareness is a mental construct. The reality of yourself, which we are pointing to using the word awareness, is not a mental construct.
Everything unknown is only through mind.
Acha, like?
Just now, as you said, whatever you're saying, whatever I'm listening, it's all through mind. So
Okay. What about your existence? Have you known that through the mind? When you wake up in the morning, there is a sense I am. You exist. Is that known through the mind?
the word I and am.
The words to express, to convey, to communicate. Let's leave that aside. You said, whatever I know. You see? You see? Love, you know through the mind. Peace, joy, all the best things are not known with the mind. All that we suffer from is known with the mind. You see? Someone says to you, it's very popular, no? Someone says to you, what is this love? Oh, I can't speak about it because there's no mind involved. Mind is a bundle of thoughts, as Bhagwan said. You see? So, peace, love, joy, which are the primary servants to your being, which itself is so wordlessly present. You see? All of this good stuff, they're never known with the mind. You see? Did you fall in love in college or school? Huh? Yes. So somebody come and tell you, what's happening to you? You say, I can't explain. You see, I just feel something. You see? So all the best things, presuming that was a good thing, but all the best things we have known without the mind. It is the mind itself which comes and says, what will you do without me? With me only you've known everything. Not true. In fact, the moments of deepest insight have been when we have been in the no mind state. You go to a beautiful holiday, you see a beautiful river flowing, there's a sense of wonder, a sense of joy which is unexplainable, but there is no mind. The minute it becomes mindy, oh, this river, where does it come from? You see how much um, muck must have been already mixed into it, and let's take a photo for Instagram, all gone. Then the wonder is gone. You see? So when we start to try and know things with the mind, that's when we actually lose the beauty of life, the wonder of life. You see? You try to insert anything into your head, no, like life, being, truth, self. A master says, I make chocolate cake for you. But if you give it to the mind, it is only always going to mix mud in it. You see, they may sound like simple metaphors, but very, very deep in their intent. You see? So don't fall for this mind trick which is saying that you can only know anything through me. All you know through mind is concepts, is ideas. You see? What is yourself is beyond ideas. Beyond the mind, beyond the intellect is yourself, as Krishna has said in the Gita. So don't try to capture it there, because like space, you'll keep missing it.